let's learn how to use some of our custom library designs that are ready to print, but you can even add some cool extra little stuff to them. So let's see what we can make today. So as you are on the website, you can go to the direct to film transfers here or here towards the bottom. Let's go ahead and click in there and go to our layout designer. So first things first, I want to make sure that I am on the canvas size that I want. Generally, I do a 10-inch design or a 12-inch design. For this one though, I want to do 12 inches. So now that we have our canvas set up, you can go up here to library, and it will give you some options, but the very first one is our print ready section. So there are all kinds of goodies in here. We now have over 300 designs ready to be printed, but there's one design in particular I know I want to make today. So let's go to the adventure tab. And as you scroll down, you will see this really cool retro island fantasy that I am in love with. I just love these colors. I think it's a gorgeous design, and I think it's gonna be perfect for the summer months ahead. So we are just going to add this image to our canvas, and it just loads in, nice, beautiful. You could just leave this alone if you wanted to, but I want to do a little something extra. So if you click on the pencil icon, you will see it will bring up two boxes for you. One that has editing the layer, and the other one is the layer settings. I want to bring this design down a little bit, so I'm gonna use this scroll bar to place it a little bit farther down because I'm going to be adding some text, and that text is going to kind of go above and over the design. Now that I have it placed on my canvas, we are going to go over to layers, and we are going to add text. So I already know what I want this design to say. So I'm gonna have my first line of text ready, and I found a really cool font. What was that called? Great Vibes. So in this edit text box, you can also change the font size. So obviously we need to make this a little bit bigger, and I want it about there, but I want to bring it down just a little bit, because I love the way that that L just swoops over there. So I also want to change the color of my text. So down here, you can click on the color box, and you can go through and kind of find anything that you want. You can even put in the RGB, you can put in HSL, you can put in the hex code. There's even a dropper tool. Whatever way you want to put in your color, that's totally up to you, but I want my text to be white. And down here you will see that stroke color. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one in, and then I'm also going to center it again, just to make sure everything stays in place. And then we're gonna click on the stroke color box. Now, this little dropper you can bring onto your canvas. You can pick up any color that you like to try. Let's do a darker blue. Okay, I think I like the darker blue the best. We have our first text layer above there, and let's add another one. Let's see what the capital B looks like before we commit. Let's see. I think I like that. I think I like the way that's gonna look. So I'm gonna do a little bit of reorganizing, because as I increased it, I saw kind of how I wanted to change it. So I'm going to decrease this top one, and then let's decrease this and kind of place it over to the side. And I want that same color scheme. So we're gonna go back to editing the text. We're gonna change the text color to the white and increase the stroke. Let's grab our dropper tool, and it was this dark blue down here. Now let's move that back where we want. I do want to go back and see what maybe the lowercase b looks like. So let's go back to our pencil icon and edit text. And then from here, you can just change that All right, so let's just kind of play around with this a little bit more. I just want it to be perfect, guys. So let's bring our beach down a little bit. And there we go. I think I'm pretty happy with this. I think this is gonna look really nice. So we are just going to come down here and give it a project name. And we are just gonna call it Life is a Beach. And we're going to save it. And now this is going to save to your projects, so that way you can go back and look at it. But from here, you can choose how many of these you want to order, add it to your cart, and you can even come down here at the bottom. You can download your canvas, and then you can use that. It will download as a transparent PNG, so that way you can use it for your own mock-ups for your website or for your Facebook page. However you want to use that, you can definitely do that. It is so helpful when trying to get those orders in without actually having to make the shirt or bag or whatever you're putting it on. All right, guys, I hope that you all love this design as much as I do. Be sure to check out our library with tons and tons of print-ready designs. And if you ever have any questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you. Thanks, guys.